How do I have Gemstone Lights app turn on whenever my favorite sports team is playing? Well, let's go ahead, open the app, and find out. When you open it up, you'll see device groups and or devices. In my case, I see devices and showroom. I'm going to tap on that. Then at the bottom, it says home, download, schedule, learn, and more. I'm going to click on schedule. And now this is part of Autopilot. So underneath Autopilot, it says manage Autopilot. Click on that. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a little cog. Click on that. And then down here, you scroll down a little bit, you see calendars. They have NHL, NFL, NBA, MLB, and the CFL. So currently, those are your choices. So let's just click on NFL. And let's say our favorite team is the Buffalo Bills and also the Chicago Bears. So I tap on that. I can choose what time I want it to come on and off, all that. And then I'm going to click save. Excuse me. So now, as you can see, it automatically is going to put on patterns when these guys are playing games. So upcoming events, Dallas Cowboys at Chicago Bears, because we chose Chicago Bears. It'll come on September 21st. September 28th, New Orleans at Buffalo Bills. Obviously, Buffalo Bills we chose. So it's going to play the ghost pattern and so on and so forth. So this way, it comes on every time your team is playing. And you can click on just NFL and see that. And that's how you celebrate and show pride of your sports teams with the Gemstone Lights app.